Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings, where creativity takes flight. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful butterfly that will mesmerize anyone who sees it. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. Sketch the basic shapes. Begin by lightly sketching two oval shapes, one larger for the upper wing and one smaller for the lower wing. Then add a small circle for the head in between the ovals. Define the wings pattern. Now let's add some intricate details to our butterfly's wing. Start by drawing gentle curves and lines to create unique patterns on each wings. Feel free to get creative here as every butterfly has its own distinct marking. Add antennas and detail extend two delicate antennae from the butterfly's head, curving slightly at the ends. Now add some finer details like tiny dots or lines to enhance the realism of our butterfly. Once you are satisfied with the overall shape and details, darken the outlines and erase any remaining sketches lines. You can also add some color to bring your butterfly to life. Choose vibrant hues that complement each other. Step back and admire your masterpiece. Drawing a butterfly is not only a wonderful way to showcase your artistic skills, but also a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us in nature. Keep practicing, and soon you will be fluttering through your own gallery of stunning creation. Thank you for joining us today on Inspire Art Linkings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring tutorials. Until next time, keep spreading your wings and let your creativity soar. Thank you so much.